The clay cliffs of Omarama. What are they all about? Let's go find out.
Hi there, I've worked in the New Zealand tourism industry for the last 15 years and I want to help you make informed decisions to better maximise your time here in New Zealand. My name is Mark Perkins and this is Explore New Zealand.
What else is there to do in the quiet, isolated but well-travelled region? Stay watching to find out about some of the interesting and intriguing geological mysteries in the Waitaki region. I like to think I'm a responsible drone owner videographer and sought specific permission from the landowner to take the aerial clips of this video. So these geological features, the clay cliffs of Omarama, are on private land and a small donation is requested to maintain the road out to them. Originally, sediments were uplifted and tilted by the Osler Fault, which runs through the region. The interesting shapes have been formed by the natural erosion created by the same Osler Fault. Actually, as a side note, there is a very good Pinot Noir from the region called Osler. Omarama, a tiny little township between Christchurch and Queenstown, a three-way junction town. One road leads to Queenstown via the Lindis Pass, one road leads down to Waitaki Valley and eventually into Dunedin, and the third leads to Christchurch past the Great Lakes of Pukaki and Tekapo. Another awesome experience to do in Omarama is to soak in the Omarama hot tubs. These are private wood-fired hot tubs set in the open air amongst the tussock grasses of the Mackenzie country. Very relaxing, I can assure you. Head off down the valley to Oamaru to explore the next wonder of this region. Click this card for my video on Oamaru. There is also a link in the description. Essentially, the Waitaki River flows down this valley and feeds into three lakes, which in turn feed three hydroelectric dams. The first one heading east is the Benmore Dam. Take the road opposite the village of Otamatata to the dam itself for some spectacular views. There are a number of campsites for self-contained campers along this road and are quite inexpensive to stay in and are based on an honesty system. The lake behind the Benmore Dam, the largest earth-filled water retaining structure in Australasia, is 1.5 times the size of Wellington Harbour. On your way to visit the next small village, you will go through another small little village, Kurow, and that is the home to the mighty All Black captain, Richie McCaw. Next, visit the small village of Duntroon, where there is a very interesting vanished world fossil and geology shop and museum. My goodness, that's a mouthful. Duntroon was named and founded by a Scotsman, Mr. Robert Campbell and his wife. This is also the turn-off point to the other great geological wonder in the Waitaki region, the Elephant Rocks. Take the right-hand turn just after the bridge and head for the Elephant Rocks. Again, these are on private land, but to the best of my knowledge, there is no donation required. Take a wander around these intriguing rock formations and use your imagination to find a wide variety of animal shapes, including elephants, of course. The elephant rocks are the weathered remnants of the Waitaki limestone foundations. Well, there's another day filled exploring New Zealand. I trust you've enjoyed this video, and please remember, take nothing but photographs and leave nothing but footprints. Help New Zealand to keep its clean, green image. As usual, be sure to click the thumbs up button and share with a friend. To keep making this content for you, I need your feedback, and the best way to do that is to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to be updated of uploads. Be sure to share this video if you are thinking of visiting these wondrous geological features with a friend. Thank you for watching. Safe travels. Click this card for my Oamaru video of 4 great things to do and see in Oamaru. Or click this card to find out more about the Waitaki boulders and the region.